Today, we're going to provide you with 6 important secrets taken from my Mind Power Realities book that will help you achieve success when you learn how to use the powers of your mind. You see, the mind plays an important role in achieving every success and goal, minor, everyday goals, or major goals. With minor, day-to-day goals, you know what you want to achieve. But when it comes to major goals, it is different. You might have a vague idea, but this is not enough. To accomplish anything and to use your mind power, you must know exactly what it is you want to do. In order to focus your mind on a goal, you need a clear and well-defined goal. How do you go about that? Well, first you must think. You must think and find out what it is that you really want to accomplish or gain. This might not be a simple step and requires deep thinking, investigation, and time. Well, after discovering what you really want to accomplish, you then need to come up with a plan for action. Concrete action. In this book, Mind Power Realities, I teach you exactly how to write out a clear, concise plan that will help you achieve your goals. You need to know what you have to do first and how to proceed. All of this requires planning, which means using the powers of the mind. After deciding on a goal and then coming up with a plan, you need to hold in your mind a clear mental image of your goal. That means visualizing exactly how pieces will fit and the plan will fit together. Again, in my book, Mind Power Realities, I provide you with a complete chapter on how to use visualization to focus your mind and achieve success. Why? Because you need to see it accomplished. This step requires that you use your imagination, which is another power of the mind. Not everyone can visualize clear mental images, but regular training of the imagination can do wonders. You may, for example, look at photos of what you want to achieve and then close your eyes and try to see it in your imagination. This will enhance your visualization ability. At this point, of course, you must display patience, self-discipline, and persistence. Affirmations are another useful mental tool for achieving success. What you affirm sinks deep into the subconscious mind. It becomes part of the subconscious mind and consequently affects your behavior and actions. If your affirmations are positive, they lead you to much success. You need to be able to transmit your thoughts to other people who would aid you with your plans. Often you must persuade others to invest in your plans or to help you in other ways. You need to be enthusiastic, persuasive, and believe what you are saying. Otherwise, they won't listen and they won't even care what you are talking about. To be able to do this, you need some degree of concentration, the ability to visualize, tack, and patience, all being mental skills. And finally, motivation is another mental and emotional power that you require for achieving success. How can you achieve anything if you are not motivated enough? To increase your motivation and enthusiasm, think often of your goals, about its advantages and benefits, and how it will change your life. Doing so will strengthen your motivation. Your thoughts, which are part of your mind, processes power. The thoughts that you most often think tend to come true. And we know that, right? If you pour your mental energy into the same thoughts of mental images day after day, they will become stronger and stronger, and will consequently affect your whole attitude, expectations, behavior, and actions. These thoughts and mental images can even be subconsciously perceived by other people, who would then offer you help or opportunities. Your thoughts can also create what is usually termed as coincidence. They can attract into your life correspondence, events, situations, and opportunities. Not every thought turns into reality. However, a thought must be repeated often and to be saturated with desires to make them come true. Doubts, fears, and worries tend to destroy what you build with the power of your mind. This means that you need to clear your mind of negative thoughts and doubts. You might not agree that this is possible, but it is with the proper training, which you can find in many of my articles and my books. This, my friends, concludes our study today on secrets of success. We encourage you to visit our gallery at davisbyars.com. That's spelled DAVISBYARS.com. And get my book on Mind Power Reality. In this book, you will find many more secrets to help you achieve success in these difficult times. Also, visit our YouTube library and click on Mind Power Project to access more great videos on mind power success. My brothers and sisters, we thank you for joining us today in this lesson. Thank you for watching the videos on our channel. If you would like to see more great videos of what we have to offer, just click on the subscribe button. You could find it over there, or perhaps over there, or even down there. Do it now. Subscribe today.